Charlotte, North Carolina. Officers with the Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department responded to a domestic violence call at a South End apartment after reports of a woman screaming for help. What began as an emergency response quickly escalated into a violent and chaotic confrontation. Body camera footage shows officers forcing entry into the locked apartment and rushing toward the sound of yelling from a bedroom. Within seconds, a struggle broke out. An officer was attacked, another was stabbed, and a gunshot rang out during the fight. Here's exactly what happened.
D5764. Okay, I'll be at 919 Berry Hill Road from now until 1:30 p.m. 6699.
Appreciate it. Bravo. Right. 1360.
6699.
Holler, hey!
Did you get any more information other than they're yelling and
So
at the moment?
we have two separate calls. We have two separate apartments. One of them's an assault where there's a comment about a gun, and then there's the suspect where it's just screaming. Dispatch said can't confirm they're related. It actually doesn't sound like they're related, but they just all started coming in at the same time. So
All we heard was screaming and yelling and they hung the phone.
Multiple disconnects. We gotta go around. Confirm apartment 360. Tip one.
yep. Hey, 1305, step up traffic onto 4th Entry. I hear fighting inside. I hear people screaming. 10-4, step it up. 35, 10-4.
415 will put you on scene. 413 scene.
Well, we're gonna try to find just a maze up here.
What the fuck? He was on the hole with me.
You mean to play for an hour?
I can't fix it.
Responding units, when you get off the elevator on the third
Quiet.
floor, go to your left.
You on here?
Right.
The keys usually work.
Hey, get the irons and bring them up.
It's tough down here.
That property can be out.
Down there, right. That's a gunshot.
arm.
Right here. Take your hand, Bishop.
So
You're shot in the arm?
I'm shot in the arm. It really hurt. I don't know what to do. I'm so
Hey,
scared.
it's okay. Is he dead? It looks good. It looks good. Did they shoot him? Hey, is he cuffed? He's cuffing him right now. Okay. It looks good. It looks really good. That's good.
She's cuffed.
Okay. You good, bud? Are you good?
Yeah.
You shoot it?
I shot him.
Is he dead?
Dead? Okay. You good. Okay. You good, bud? You okay?
I'm good.
All right, I'm coming back.
Hey, he's breathing.
You all right, buddy?
Yeah, he's
You ain't
breathing.
getting nowhere, nothing?
He's breathing.
Is he breathing?
Breathing. It's labored though.
In the chest? Where did he get shot at? Do you know? Yeah, right there. Give me that. Pull him down. Pull him down. There you go. I'm gonna seal this up. We're going to roll him over, right? Are you okay? You didn't get beat down? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure.
Come on, man, stick. Okay, roll him with me. Check the back one. Okay, take that out. Okay, it didn't come out. It didn't come out. All right, let's roll him up there. Is he breathing still? All right, I gotta get some more stuff, all right? Okay. Gunshot to the chest. I got it sealed. I'm gonna breathe for him. That's all I can do. Hey. He gets shot.
I shot him.
No, your partner.
He got stabbed.
He's stabbed. You're good? He's stabbed. He's stabbed.
Okay. We came in.
Did he shoot the female?
We came in. I think he shot her when we were forcing entry.
Yeah, we heard that.
When we came in, he was hiding behind the dresser. He threw the gun to the side, but he had a knife. We were trying to go hands-on,
Right.
but
I heard you.
he charged my partner with the knife.
I heard you.
He got his face on fire.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Can you catch me?
36 to Carson on scene at Tremont Avenue. We're approximately 5 minutes out.
You don't feel nothing?
No.
Somebody open the lobby door.
One CMPD officer with
I felt wet, but it might be somebody else.
It might be him.
I think you're good. I think you're good.
Thank you.
Steve goes moved to the left arm, and one other GSW.
Portable one.
Go ahead.
Pretty sure this is fatality in here.
So just watch your, be careful stepping back. Hold the knife and go.
That's yours? Whose gun's over here?
That's not mine. Mine's in my holster.
Yeah, whose is that?
He's got two, I guess.
Okay.
We were fighting over this one. I don't know.
I'll say I seen
You got a possible fatality.
I'll go check him, just double check. I'm pretty sure he's
Just careful.
center chest. It didn't come out the back.
Well, then we'll get.
I mean, he's, I'll check radio and carotid.
Okay. That's fine. These two out here, we're gonna get them. They'll be our priority if you think he's.
I don't feel nothing. What?
Okay. Well,
I sealed the chest and I was gonna, he was agonally breathing when I come in here.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Alright. He's good.
I got 94 in the corner, 94 under the bed.
Okay. Do you mind checking carotid for me? Just again, radio and carotid.
Yes, sir, we're pulling up behind your engine right now.
Good.
Are you still at a perfect 360? Come in the entrance, go to the
I
left,
sealed the cap, I rolled him over, no exit.
double doors, there'll be an elevator on your right.
Where's the
Go up the elevator to the front,
chest?
Chest, center chest,
get off the
nothing on the
elevator,
back.
turn left,
He was agonally
there's
breathing.
a hallway on your left, take that hallway,
Yeah,
lobby down, the next hallway on the left.
You good? Yeah, I'm good. Everyone just do shoot your shot.
yeah, I'll check everything out. I'll check.
Automatic do it anyway.
Oh, yeah,
I got a faint pulse. You think? Yeah. See, I got a pulse. It might have been my heartbeat. Right. I just sort of ran. Let's switch it out. So you got since he shot. Okay, it might have been mine. Helmer.
This incident shows just how dangerous domestic violence calls can be. In seconds, a routine response turned deadly. CMPD Chief Johnny Jennings confirmed the officers acted to save lives. Body camera footage reveals the split-second risks officers face. Subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns.